Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Ivan Firdaus. We from Group 2, and we glad our to explain our project. The name project is basic implementation of Q in the Python. But before that, let our to introduce ourselves. My name is Alfa Putra.
My name is Ovi Purnatasari.
And my name is Muhammad Nanda Safa Adami.
Overview of algorithm. An algorithm or algorithm is a set of commands to some. This command can be translated step by step from beginning to end. The problem can be anything with a node for each problem. There are initial conditions that must be met before running the algorithm. The algorithm will always run out for all initial conditions that meet the criteria. In this case, is not the same as the heuristic. Algorithm often have line iteration of require decision, Boolean logic, and comparison to complete. Definition of data structure. Data is a method or way of compiling, organizing, and storing various data contained in a storage in a computer system. This is itself varies, can be in the form of number, symbol, letter, and so on. Data structure type, there are approximately 6, namely 1 graph, 2 tree, 3 queue, 4 stack, 5 linked list, 6 array. Next, definition of queue. Queue is a collection of data where the addition of data or element can only be done on the backside, while the deletion or removal of element is done on the front side. This type of queuing data structure is often used to simulate real-world conditions. Queues are often found in everyday life. For example, student registration queue, train ticket, and other. Unlike the stack, the principle used in the queue is first in, first out. In other words, in the order in which the element exist will be the same as the order in which they enter. Characteristic of queue. The distinguishing characteristic of a queue is the way store and retrieve data with a first in, first out structure. This means the first element placed in the queue is the first to be moved. The important characteristic of queue are: 1 queue element or data item contained in the queue element, 2 front, leading element of the queue, 3 rear, last element of queue, 4 number of element in the queue count, 5 queue status. Python. Python is a programming language that can execute a number of multi-purpose instructions directly, interpretatively with object-oriented programming method, and uses dynamic semantics to provide a level of syntax readability. Owner define Python as a capable language combining capabilities and a very clear code syntax, as well as being equipped with a large and comprehensive standard library functional. Although Python is classified as a high-level programming language, in fact, Python is designed in such a way that is easy to learn and understand.
Advantage and disadvantage of using Python. Advantage of Python: 1 has a wide and many library, 2 open source, 3 able to insert developer productivity, 4 support Internet of Things IoT well. Disadvantage of Python: 1 not suitable for mobile application, 2 relatively slow execution, 3. Difficultly switching to other programming language. 4. Error at runtime. Features of Python. 1. Has an extensive library in the distribution of Python programming language, as provide ready-made modules for various purposes. 2. Has a clear grammar and it's easy to learn. 3. Object-oriented. Operations of queue. There are various types of operations of queues, including enqueue operations. A post operations on queue is also called enqueue. This operation is used to add a new element. The new element will be put the back of the queue. The algorithm for push operations on queues is as follows. Determine the condition of the queue, whether the queue is empty or not. If empty, then declare new data to be entered into the queue. Enter the new data value. Repeat to enter data until the queue is full by placing the front pointer pointing to the head element in the queue and rear pointing to the new element added, and the count value is increased by 1. If the queue is full, then it's over. Operations the queue. The pop operations on queue is also called the queue. This operation is used to delete elements from the queue. The elements to be deleted is the element that is at the front of the queue. The pop operations algorithm on the queue is follows. Check the condition of the queue, whether there is data content or not. If there is data in the queue, then delete the data by moving the head, the leading element of the queue, to the next element, or making the front pointer point to the element up. Then remove the leading element of the queue and the queue count value is reduced by 1. The leading element in the queue. If there is no data in the queue, it is finished.
This is our script or source code. This program displays a menu in the Python terminal output which consists of 4 menu options. Each one menu option will run one method from queue, such as entering queue data, deleting, viewing data empty status, and calculating total queue data. Okay, we will be running the program. Okay. After we running the program and the output program will display like this. This the home menu, and we can select each one of the 4 menu option. Okay, for example, I'll be select 1. Okay, I insert. Okay, there is. Okay, successful. Okay, I enter again, then I'll be check the start. Okay, I'll be check the calculate total queue data in this. Yeah, okay. Oh, this one I'll be enter again. I select 3. It's false. If I delete that and before including before. Okay, my data was deleted. I enter again. Okay, I'll select 3. Okay, true. And that's it, our program.
Thank you for your attention. There is enough presentation from us. Thank you, Mr. Ivan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.